Happy morning, my dear children. Have a nice day. In today's English class, we are going to see a poem named Courage in Unit 2. Okay, Term 3, Unit 2. This poem is written by Edgar Albert Guest. He was a British born US writer whose poems were widely read during the first half of the 20th century. In this video, we are going to read and enjoy the first and second stanzas. What do you see in this picture? Yes, you can see a man climbing a mountain. What do you mean by the word courage? Courage is the ability to do something that the others are feared about it. It means bravery. Okay. Now let us read the lines of the poem. Okay. Courage isn't a brilliant dash. What do you mean by the word brilliant dash? It means intelligent attempt. Okay. Courage is not an intelligent attempt. A daring deed in a moment's flash. It is also not a daring deed. Daring deed means a bold activity which is taken in a fraction of second. Okay, it is not originated in a fraction of second. It isn't an instantaneous thing. Instantaneous thing means something which has happened suddenly. Okay, born of despair. It is also not a thing which is born of despair. What do you mean by the word despair? Despair means losing hope. Okay, with a sudden spring. Okay, within a sudden problem, within a sudden fall, the courage is not born. It isn't a creature. It isn't a creature means maybe a baby or something. It is not a creature of flickered hope. The word flickered hope means flicker means the light which is on and off, shone unsteadily. Okay, it is not like a creature which is shown unsteadily. Okay, or the final tug at the slipping rope. It is not a final tug. Final tug means tug. The meaning of the word tug is pulling forcefully. While as you could see in the picture, the man was pulling a rope and climbing the mountain. The same way, it is not the final pull at the slipping rope. Okay, but it's something deep in the soul of man. This courage is something inborn. It is deep in the soul of man that is working always to serve some plan. Okay, without courage, it is not possible for us to do anything, right? Courage is needed to take an effort. Yes? Yes, that is what explained in the first stanza. I hope you understood the first stanza. Let us quickly move on to the next stanza. Courage isn't the last resort. What do you mean by last resort? Okay, it means a final course of action used only when all else has failed. All the after all try have been failed, it is not the last chance. Okay, in the work of life or a game of sport. In the game of sport, when we lose all the chance, it is not the last chance. That is what the meaning of first and second lines of stanzas 2. It isn't a thing that a man can call. Okay, so this is not the thing. This courage is not the thing that a man can call. At some future time when he is apt to fall. Here, apt means appropriate. When the man is falling down, there is no hope for him. If we call the courage to come, will it come? No. Yes. Next, let us move on to the next line. If he has it now, he will have it not. If he don't have courage from the beginning, he will not at all have it. Okay. When the strain is great, Here, strain means struggle. When the struggle is great, the pace is hot. Pace means the step. Okay. When we have more problem, when the problem is very severe, then the step we keep is very hard, right? That is what given in this line. Okay. When the strain is great, the pace is hot. For who would strive for the distant goal? Strive means making great effort. For the people who are making great effort for a distant goal must always have courage within his soul. Okay.